Hello everyone, I'm Krishna Kumar from Computer Science and Technology Department final year, and this is my project on a CRM software. This is basically a login page. Once we have signed in, so I'm going to give a walkthrough of this whole CRM web application. So the first thing you'll notice is the dashboard, and here we can see three types of metrics, which are number of companies, number of contacts, and total deals in the pipeline. So basically the CRM software helps in tracking the customer conversion rate and lead generation, and also the profits and loss. You can see the profits and loss as won and lost in this graph. So this is a real time data. This is reflected from the data that we have fed into this CRM software that we have fed into this CRM application. And if we scroll down, we will be able to see the recent activities that we have done in this application. And once we are good to go with the dashboard, we'll go to the company section. Here we will see the list of companies, that is the list of customers that those who have enrolled in this CRM, that is in the database. So we'll be able to see each companies and the deals that are open now with them, and we can edit their details, the owner name, the company size, total revenue, the industry that this company is from, and the type of business, B2C, B2B and B2G, and the country of origin, and also their website, and we can save it. And here you will be able to see the status of this contact. Let's say we will okay. So basically we will have a point of contact in our client company that will be listed here, and the recent lead basically this is the lead, and you can also see the stage of that particular lead. It's a negotiation part, and once we have closed the deal, we can change it into a closed one, and we can see there are two ways to contact them. One will open the mail, and another is for a WhatsApp call. So a prompt will be generated to open WhatsApp. And yeah, basically this is how the companies are listed here. And if you want to remove a company, you can just click on delete, and this will delete the company. You can switch between multiple pages here. If you want to create a new enrollment, you can just click on create and type the company name, sales owner type, and then you can further modify it by going into the editing tab. And this is the companies tab. Once we have done with companies, we can switch to tasks. Tasks are nothing but the tasks that are assigned to each of this company, each of the clients. For example, there are two unassigned tasks here. So this says that as the event organizer, you will be responsible for planning and executing a team building event. So this is a task for the event organizer, and if you want to assign, or if you want to give a detailed overview about that task, you can just give it in this description part, and you can also give an title for this task and save it here. So you can set a date here. As you can see, this is in May 18, 2024, which is overdue. So if you want to change the date and deadline, you can also change it using this calendar function, and you can save it here. So you can also assign the users here. Those who have been assigned to this task. So there are multiple users, the employees of the company. If I want to assign one particular task to multiple users, I can also choose that as an admin, and I can save it. And if I want to delete this card, I can just click on delete. And the best part of this tab is you can always switch between the status of that particular assigned task. So let's say if I have assigned someone for this task, and it's on the person who I have assigned this task is yet to complete the task, it will be in the to do stage. I can just drag and drop it into the to do part, and the status will automatically change to do. As you can see, so it's already been. You can also change it here, and also you can change it inside the card as well. Let's say I'm going to change it in progress, and I'm just coming out. As you can see, the creating it will go to the in progress section automatically without me dragging and dropping into this section. So, and the in progress is nothing but to denote that the operation is in progress, and once it is done it will be sent to the review team. So it can be if I drag and drop it to a review part, it will be sent to the review team and it will be assigned for the review section. And once the review is completed and the product and the service or product is good to go, you can move it into the done part. So this is how it works. If you want to add few more sections, you can also add it as it's a customizable CRM application. It can be customized according to the need of the customer of this CRM application. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to like add more sections here, you can even modify these existing sections as well. And this data is coming from the company's overall open deal amount. I have showed it already. So as you can see, there are total revenue here, and you can also always refresh it to change it, and this data is reflected in this particular graph. And once there are events, you can further I'm planning to add some events here. So I'm also going to add a event section here, so that you will be able to assign, you will be able to start an event and end an event, and it will be shown in this dashboard. So this is how this CRM project is done so far. And you also have an account settings up page. You can change your account profile picture and email ID and your job title. You can also change your phone number as well and save it. And once you are done, you can just log out by clicking on log out. So this is our project, and basically the stack I have used here is so basically I've used React here, and for front end, and for back end we'll be using GraphSQL. And so for the CRM, for the template, I have used a tool called Refine, which is a UI model tool. We can just use their existing UI components in our project. So it's an open source project, and I have took it and modified it. So this is my progress on this project, and kindly give your feedback on this. Thank you.